It's day 8 of the Guardians of the Galaxy Lego Advent Calendar build and reveal. Yesterday was the blaster, which was the most interesting one so far. However, I do like the Raccoon as well. I think that's a great little minifig. Day 8, right here. Let's get into this. Let's see if I recognise what it is. Which I probably won't. It looks like a turkey. Oh. Right. About 8 pieces again, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces today. Okay. This one looks fairly straightforward. That's with that. Okay. Oh, wrong one. With that. Okay. 3 pieces, and then 2 pieces for this one. And what looks like a turkey, put its wings on. Might go that way. That's the way it goes. It's a very odd piece, very odd Lego piece, very specific. And unfortunately, that's it. Really, I don't even know what to say about that. All I can think is that it's a Christmas dinner, maybe? Okay, so my confusion around this set continues. That's it for day 8. Hopefully you can join me for day 9 and see what underwhelming surprise we get. Bye for now.